DeepMind develops AI that can forecast the weather. DeepMind, a company that is part of Google, wants to use machine learning to make better weather forecasts. The project is between DeepMind and the Met Office, the UK's National Weather Service. Researchers developed a system that tells how much rain is coming. It can tell people 2 hours before it happens. DeepMind is a new system that can make predictions as good as those from the Met Office. They had 50 meteorologists compare the AI system with existing forecasting methods. In 89% of cases, they preferred DeepMind's new system to any other forecasting method. Meteorologists have a lot of different ways to predict the weather. The most advanced computers can predict what will happen days from now. But they often have trouble predicting things that will happen in the near future. A forecast is made by following a set of rules. Usually, the probability and location of future rainfall is calculated using difficult math. When forecasting the weather, it is important to know what the weather will be in the future. This takes time to predict. Don't do the calculation until all of the information is there. DeepMind's AI system is faster than the normal ones because it uses a type of machine learning algorithm called generative adversarial network. A generator network takes data from the past. It predicts whether there will be rain in the future. Radar sensors help collect data about the weather. They can also help predict what the weather will be like. Advances in weather sensing have made high-resolution radar data, which measures the amount of precipitation at ground level, available at high frequency, example, every 5 minutes at 1 kilometer resolution, DeepMind explained. This combination of a crucial area where existing methods struggle and the availability of high-quality data provides the opportunity for machine learning to make its contributions to nowcasting. Generative adversarial networks like the one DeepMind uses to make weather forecasts are a new invention. They were first invented in 2014. Researchers need to make 2 separate models. One is for the first machine learning model and one is for the second machine learning model. Machine learning models are improved by a competition. It makes it possible to predict things with high accuracy. The first AI that takes part in the competition is responsible for generating data, which is rainfall maps. The second AI has a job to figure out if the first AI made a map that is not accurate. The 2 networks learn from each other and they get better over time. Eventually, this AI that makes maps about rain becomes so accurate it can also predict future weather. DeepMind says that its AI system can do a better job than traditional forecasting methods. Machine learning is newer, which means it can't do as good of a job as DeepMind's AI system. The alphabet system is a good way to look at the weather. It can predict small-scale events better than other systems. These models can predict smaller-scale weather phenomena that are inherently difficult to predict due to underlying stochasticity, which is a critical issue for nowcasting research, DeepMind's researchers wrote in a Nature paper describing the project. By using statistical, economic, and cognitive analyses we were able to demonstrate a new and competitive approach for precipitation nowcasting from radar, the researchers added in a separate blog post. No method is without limitations, and more work is needed to improve the accuracy of long-term predictions and accuracy on rare and intense events. Future work will require us to develop additional ways of assessing performance, and further specializing these methods for specific real-world applications.